In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view task history in Asana. Being able to see a task's history is really helpful when you're collaborating with a team or just trying to remember what changed and when. Maybe a due date was moved, the assignee was updated, or a description was edited. Instead of guessing, Asana keeps a timeline of these updates right inside the task. I'll walk you through how to access that history so you can quickly see everything that's happened. First, open Asana and navigate to the project where your task lives. Once you're in the project, look for the task whose history you want to check. This might be in the list view, board view, or another layout, but the idea is the same. Find the task name and click on it. When you click on the task, a detailed panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen, showing all the main information for that task. With the task panel open, you'll see things like the task title, assignee, due date, description, and any subtasks or attachments. What we're interested in is a little further down. Using your mouse or trackpad, scroll down through the task details. Take your time here. As you scroll, you'll pass by sections like comments and perhaps custom fields or dependencies, depending on how your workspace is set up. Keep scrolling until you see the activity section. This is where Asana groups together updates and changes that have been made to the task. In this area, look for an option labeled All Activity. It may appear as a filter or a clickable text that controls what type of updates you're currently seeing. Go ahead and click on All Activity. Once you select this, Asana will display the full history of that task. You will now be able to see a chronological list of changes, such as when the task was created, when fields were updated, when the task was completed or reopened, and other relevant adjustments made by you or your teammates. If the list is long, you can scroll through it to review older updates and use it to understand how the task has evolved over time. This is especially useful for auditing changes or catching up after being away from a project. And that's all you need to do. By selecting the task, scrolling down, and clicking on All Activity, you'll have a clear view of everything that has happened to that task in Asana.